Welcome to springlib.
To determine if the manufacturer's claim is incorrect, we can conduct a hypothesis test using the sample data provided. So the null hypothesis is that the average purity of the products is within the claimed range, which is between 0.96 and 0.98. And the alternative hypothesis is that it's outside the claimed range, so it could be less than 0.96 or greater than 0.98. So we're given that the sample size is 12, the sample mean is 0.95, the standard deviation is 0.03, and the confidence level we're using is 0.10. So we'll perform a one-sample t-test to determine if the sample mean is significantly different from the claimed range because of the small sample size. So the t-statistic is found by calculating x bar minus mu over s over the square root of n. So that'd be 0.95 minus 0.97 over 0.03 over the square root of n. We're using 0.97 because that's between 0.96 and 0.98. So 0.95 minus 0.97 over 0.03 over the square root of 12 is negative 2.31. Then we'll determine the critical value. Since the alternative hypothesis is two-tailed, we need to consider both tails of the t-distribution. The critical values can be found using a t-table or calculator, and with a significance level of 0.05 and degrees of freedom of 11, because that's one less than the sample size, the critical t is positive or negative 1.796. And then we compare the test statistic with the critical value. Since negative 2.31 is less than negative 1.796, we can reject the null hypothesis. There is enough evidence to conclude that the average purity of the products is outside the claim range.